Excuse me. I need some help. I have a bit of a problem with a book I borrowed.
Hello. Of course I can help you with that. My name is Clara. What seems to be the issue?
Hi, Clara. My name is Ben. Well, it's a little embarrassing. I have been looking everywhere, but I think I may have lost one of the library's books.
I see. Please don't be embarrassed, Ben. It happens more often than you think. People are busy and things get misplaced. We have a standard procedure for this situation.
I am so sorry about it. I am usually very careful with library books. I feel terrible. I hope it doesn't cause a big problem for the library or for my account.
Try not to worry too much. We can sort this out together. The most important thing is that you came to tell us about it. That is very responsible of you.
Thank you. That makes me feel a little bit better. So, what is the first thing I need to do?
The first step is for me to look up your account in our system. Do you have your library card with you? Or perhaps you know your library card number?
Yes, I have my card right here in my wallet. Here you go.
Thank you, Ben. I will just scan your card. Okay, I have your account open on my screen now. The next question is, do you remember the title of the book that you have lost?
I do. It was a nonfiction book about space exploration. The title was The Cosmic Journey by an author named Dr. Evelyn Reed.
The Cosmic Journey by Evelyn Reed. Let me just check your current loans. Yes, I see it right here. Thank you. That information is very helpful.
So you can see the book on my account? Does it show when I was supposed to return it?
Yes, the system has all the details. It says you borrowed The Cosmic Journey 3 weeks ago, and the due date for its return was last Tuesday.
Last Tuesday. Oh no. So it is already overdue. I was so busy searching for it that I completely forgot about the due date.
I understand. Because the book is now overdue, our system has automatically started to add a small late fee to your account for each day it has been late.
A late fee. Of course, I expected that. I am happy to pay any fees. I just want to resolve the issue of the lost book.
We will resolve it right now. The late fees will stop growing once we officially mark the book as lost in the system. So let's talk about what happens next. Before we mark the book as officially lost, can I ask where you have searched for it? Sometimes a book is just hiding in a very unusual place.
I feel like I have searched everywhere. I have checked every room in my house 3 times. I looked under all the beds, behind the sofas, and on every bookshelf.
Did you check inside your car? Sometimes books can slip out of a bag and fall under the seats.
Yes, I checked my car this morning. It's not there. I also checked my office at work, just in case I had taken it there to read during my lunch break. But there was no sign of it.
It sounds like you have done a very thorough search. When was the last time you remember having the book?
I think the last time I saw it was about 10 days ago. I was reading it on the train during my commute home from work. I think I might have accidentally left it on the train seat. If I did leave it on the train, then I am sure it is gone for good. So, what is the library's policy when a book is lost permanently?
Our policy is quite straightforward. When a book is officially declared lost, the borrower is responsible for covering the cost of replacing it for the library.
So, I will need to pay for the book? That seems fair. It was my responsibility, and I lost it.
Yes, the fee you pay is called the replacement cost. This is the amount of money the library needs to buy a brand new copy of the same book to put back on our shelves for other people to enjoy.
I understand. And what about the overdue fines that you mentioned? Do I have to pay those as well as the replacement cost?
Yes, the final amount you would need to pay is the replacement cost of the book itself, plus any overdue fines that have accumulated on your account up to today.
Okay, that all seems very reasonable. I am ready to pay the fees and resolve this today. How much will I need to pay for this specific book?
Let me just look up the details for The Cosmic Journey in our library's catalog. The system will tell me the exact value of the book. One moment, please.
Of course. Take your time. I hope it was not a very rare or expensive book. It was a hardcover book with a lot of color photographs, so I am a little worried.
Okay, I have the information here. The replacement cost for this particular hardcover book is 28 euros.
28 euros. That is less than I was expecting, which is a relief. And what about the overdue fine? The book was due last Tuesday.
The book is 4 days overdue. Our late fee is 25 cents per day, so the total overdue fine is €1. This means the total amount you would need to pay today is 29 euros.
29 euros in total. Okay, that is manageable. I can pay that.
Before you decide to pay, I want to offer you one more option. Sometimes a book that seems lost can suddenly reappear.
That is true. It could be at the train's lost and found office, for example. But I think the chance of getting it back is very small.
I understand. However, if you would like some more time to look, I can put a temporary claimed lost status on the book in our system.
What does a claimed lost status mean?
It means that you have officially reported the book as lost to us. This will immediately stop any more overdue fines from being added to your account. We can leave this status on the book for 2 more weeks. This gives you a 14-day grace period to have one final, thorough search, without the fines getting bigger.
So I would have 2 more weeks to look for it. That is a very generous offer. Thank you.
That is a very kind offer, but to be honest, I really don't think I am going to find it. I think paying for it today is the best option for me.
I understand completely. It is good to have a clear resolution. There is one other alternative that some people ask about. I should mention it to you.
Oh? What is that?
Some patrons ask if they can buy a replacement copy of the book themselves and bring it to the library, instead of paying the replacement fee.
That is an interesting idea. So I could go to a bookshop or order a copy online and give it to you? Would that be cheaper for me?
It can sometimes be cheaper, especially if you find a good deal on the book. However, our library's policy is that we can only accept a brand new copy. It cannot be a used or second-hand book. It also must be the exact same edition, which means the same publisher and the same cover. Sometimes finding the exact edition can be quite difficult.
I see. It would have to be the identical book. That does sound a little complicated. I think the simplest and easiest solution for me is to just pay the €29 fee today.
I agree. In most cases, that is the most straightforward way to resolve the issue. Are you ready to proceed with the payment now?
Yes, I am. How can I pay? Do you accept credit cards or do I need to pay with cash?
We accept both. You can pay with cash, a debit card, or a credit card, whichever is most convenient for you. We have a card machine right here.
A credit card would be perfect. Here is my card.
Thank you, Ben. I am just processing the payment now. The total amount is 29 euros. Could you please just enter your PIN on the keypad? Perfect. The payment has been approved. Here is your credit card back, and here is your receipt for the payment.
Thank you very much. So, is everything settled now? Is my account all clear?
Yes, everything is now resolved. I am marking the book as lost and paid in the system right now. Your account is in good standing, and you have no outstanding fines or fees.
That is such a relief to hear. I was worried that this would be a very complicated and stressful process, but you have made it very easy.
I am glad I could help. Our goal is not to punish people for making a mistake. Our goal is simply to make sure our collection of books remains complete for everyone to enjoy.
I understand completely. And now that my account is clear, am I still able to borrow new books today?
Absolutely. You are welcome to borrow more books whenever you like. We hope this experience does not discourage you from using the library.
Not at all. Thank you again for your patience and for being so helpful, Clara.